foggy. So how'd you discover this?
I mean, you just look from down there, you know? But this is actually after the flash mob. There's still people left.
That's a scary sound.
It's pretty good.
Going down.
This is a nice hotel.
If we can keep it open. Yeah, no. Well, if you get on these floors, look, you can just barely see the East Bay.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's pretty incredible. I'm kind of scared here. Like, I've got the, is it vertigo, they call it? I don't know what it's called.
Yeah, I guess. So I can lease that.
That sound really scares me. There's a Daily Girl. We ate there. No, we didn't. We tried to eat there. But, like, they were closed. You know, some... Oh, God.